Hi, my name is Mustafa Garib and I'm here today to give you my presentation about proposed improvement plan to Jeffrey Smart Building and Library. This presentation being created by Mustafa Garib, data analyst, MG&Co Data Analytics. Contents, introduction, project requirements, data analysis and interpretation, proposed suggestions, implementation and impacts. Introduction. UniSA have a progressive vision for 2025 and a promising ambition future ahead, looking for 20% growth in the next 3 years. 25% of the student will interact with UniSA online, locally and internationally. 15% of our operational income will come from research activities, with 60% of that activity directly linked to industry partners. Project requirements. UniSA aims to efficient utilization of Jeffrey Smart Building and Library to meet its 2025 vision, improving students and users' experience, create innovative and creative educational environment, strengthening UniSA footprint in research activity to achieve 15% of total income, encouraging directly engaging with industry partners. In this slide, we're going to have a look about the data indicators. After carefully data analysis, we do found the following. In this chart, you will see the room's activity. It's explained to you each and every room, the name, location, and how many visitor and how many hours that room had. After we finish from this chart, we consolidate it into top 5 rooms. As you can see in this chart, it's showing you respectively Jeffrey Smart Level 308 was falling rank number 1, and so and so and so. In the coming slides, you will see more details about it. Let's start. As we can see in this slide, the most booked and visited room, it's number 1 and number 2. And it's located on level 3 at Jeffrey Smart Building. And as you can see in the in the most right side of the screen, there is red square. It's mentioned Jeffrey Smart and then building JS and level 03. And there is indicator showing you where are these rooms located. The same with room falling in ramp number 3. It's in Jeffrey Smart Building, level 202. Again, we can see the indication about level from the right side. So on with rank number 4. It's Jeffrey Smart Building, level 6, room number 9, and it's shown with the red box in the right of the screen. Finally, the top 5, rank number 5, it's Jeffrey Smart Building, level 4, room number 7, again as it's indicate with the right side red box. Rooms booking findings and suggestion. Findings. Students were more intended to visit and book rooms with larger capacity, like larger project room, 8 people with wall-mounted screen, syndicate meeting rooms, 10 people with touch screen. Suggestions: UniSA should offer more similar rooms by redesigning the floor plan, add more large room, or merging small rooms together to create desired space. Keep in mind the long-term plan 2025 vision. In this slide, we're going to have a look about wireless move data. Again, based on the Excel sheet, there was a quite long rows of data we consolidated into top 10. In this table, you will see from left to right, it's the rank, serviced area, in new access point, which is known as a new AP, and count, which means how frequent this area being hit. So rank 1, it's access point, Jeffrey Smart Building, level 1, access point 81-1 CW. And the location is Lower Terrace L1 Outdoor. And so, and so, and so, till we find number 10. It's access point, Jeffrey Smart Building, level 3, area 11 CW, and the new access point, it was a study South Wing, former research study South Wing. Wireless move data findings and suggestions. Findings: a student and wireless data user prefer outdoor rather indoor, which is quite obvious in the previous one. And the suggestion: reduce power cost of air conditioning within indoor area and maintenance. Direct saved funds to create more outdoors facilities. In this slide, we will talk about wireless app data findings. Again, we have consolidated to top 10 app type. We see falling in rank 1, it's something called uncategorized app type with a frequent hit 83,766. Rank number 2, Tunnel, with 61,609. Rank 3, it was Media with 48,541. Facebook fall in rank 4 with 42,785. Number 5, Search Engine with 33,791. And number 6, it was Internet Utilities, 27,087. Number 7, it was Instant Messaging with 19,381. And falling in rank 8, it was for Social Networking with 14,801. Gamers also fall in rank 9 under Games at 12,739. And finally, rank 10, it's for file sharing with 10,027 or 10,027 direct. And in the right side, you will see the graph, how it's being indicated. Wireless app data finding and suggestions. Finding 39% of used data were used for media, social networking, instant messaging, and games. Suggestion: utilize this technology in elevate students' awareness of UniSA features, benefits, and advantages by being a student at UniSA. Develop apps with online partners like Facebook, YouTube, Google, and Microsoft to strengthen UniSA footprint. We're still in this slide talking about wireless app data finding. Now we're going to talk about devices and pretty much more than devices, as we're going to mention the operating system in Mac. So in device type, always Apple in this one fall in rank number 1. Apple, iPod, iPhone, iPad with 100,982. And number 2, Microsoft Windows 8 or 8.1. It comes with 99,372 frequent or hit. Number 3, again, it's under Apple umbrella, which is Mac operating system, X Leon with 44,488. Number 4, it was for a generic Android. As we know, Android and Android, generic Android and Chrome operating system, it's part of something called Alphabet Incorporation. So let's go to number 4. It's a generic Android with 65.821. And number 5, Android LG Nexus 5 and 7 with 56,647. And finally, it's something called, hopefully I'm pronouncing right, it's called Lachi, NAS, and Chrome operating system was 9,380. In the right side of the screen, we will see the graph, how it's been this device type pie being segregated between these major players. Device type findings and suggestions. Findings, the analyzed data indicates a 3 major player in device and operating systems. Apple 39% market share, Alphabet Incorporation 35 market share. Alphabet Incorporation pretty much it's Android, Google, Android generic, Chrome operating system. Anything fall under Alphabet. Microsoft at 26% market share. Suggestion: utilize this. UniSA should utilize this data to persuade these companies to partnering values with one of the world's top young universities and second university in Australia for research quality, beside being number 1 of SA South Australia for student satisfaction. Thank you, Mustafa Garib.